So welcome guys, thanks for being here. Last day of the week. Last day of the week. Deep retracement. We are back to the 3000s. Well, 39. Well, let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we can take some good profits today. I'm starting the day with trading Euro USD. So well, for that reason, I was focused. Um, Euro USD made a um, break of a structure in 4 hours. So let's see. Now, waiting the retest for gold. So well, let me see. Okay, this is the resistance there. 39.85. I know the chat is being crazy when I'm not speaking. Well, I need to do some things. I was in a position in Euro USD for the people in Telegram. Let's see. Nowadays, like my Nasdaq, Dow Jones, it's not giving us very good reactions. So Nasdaq, Dow Jones, we're not really in a good move for these months, for the last 2 months. But normally Nasdaq usually is the positive. But well, let's see. Let's see what happened. Your patience, guys. That's all. Waiting the retracement. Y estoy esperando venta, Carolina. Feliz cumpleaños. Espero lo disfrutes bastante. Muchas, muchas felicidades y gracias por estar aquí. En su cumpleaños. Muy bien, muy bien. ¿Cuántos años? ¿Cuántos añitos? What's the tool you're using right now? This is the Canbox. Cash Gang is going to take action. Go, my friend, go. So, well, let me clarify here. 1 hour, okay. Looks like a little position there. Here, okay. Okay, let's wait the retracement. Let's see what we have in the next 6 minutes. At least I'm going to wait to 30.90, 91 for clarify the position. We are so far to the sell zone. For that reason, I'm going to wait. At least the price. If the price go here, for example, that could be the best point near to the 39.98. Okay, 1 hour. So well, if the price give us a reaction here, probably it's going to be it's going to change on the like a good reaction. But well, let's wait. Well, let's wait there at least 39.90. Mm. So well, let me read the chat. Price sell 39.90. Here's 39.95. Here, what's the point here? 39.87. So well, it gives us a strong point. So So let's see if we can take the retest. The thing is, that's the thing is, the price is out of my main zone. Well, the main zone now. This is the support, the resistance on 30.95 here. But they it touch and then give us the confirmation. This that what was the confirmation? The confirmation was this pattern here. Engulfing candle looks like evening start. So well, let's wait. Okay. So well, the price will go. Testing the point again. So well, I like the point. Looks strong. Let's clarify the position. So again, we need to see a consolidation in 1 minute for. So let's see. Be ready. Let me clean the chart. Vamos a preparar ventas. Estamos esperando la consolidación en 1 minuto. Waiting the consolidation in 1 minute. 2, 3 candles more for clarify the sell position. So waiting, guys. Okay. 1 candle more. Price to give us a reaction there. But we need 1 candle more. 1 candle more. Forget that the strict point there. Hard reaction. Let's see if the price go back to the 39.88, 39.89. Could be nice. 39.90 include 90 inclusive is a good point. So well, pure patience, pure patience. If something happen and the price go back, well, we will prepare the low position. Nothing happened. Now it's pure patience. Pure patience. giving us a strong point here near there. Hard reaction. So it made around 70 pips in 3 minutes. So that's massive. Well, now like around 50 pips. So waiting the retracement, guys. Waiting the retracement. Your patience. 39.88, 39.89, 39.90. So that's it. Just one candle, just one green candle for get a better point. 39.82. I'm not into a trade just in case. I'm just waiting the retracement. I know the price was there, but well, it was difficult to take that position, that point. Hmm. And I know when to open the trade near to the 39.84 or 39.81 at this point, for example. It's not the it's not the best price. So waiting, we have time, relax, price pushing up again. Hmm. 39.84, great. Okay, price is going back. 39.86 now. So it's time to prepare the entry. Mhm. It's time to prepare the entry. 39.86 could be a good point. We'll push a little more. Let's go into the position. So well, I'm to the sell position now. Let me work into the TPS. Mhm. I'm into the position now. Sell position 39.86. That's 21. 39.89. Okay. Here. So let me protect the entry. Remember the stop loss 39.90. That's 30. No more than that. Okay. So let's see. It could be a fast stop. So well, working into the TPS or not. We can see a good reaction. 39.82. 82. 80. 39. 77. 40 p.m. 39, 7. Sure. So well, good reaction. That's great. TP1. Almost TP1. TP2. Here, 39.77. Let's see if we can continue with that pressure. We need at least the candle ends in our favor. Okay. Let's see if we can touch the TP2 or TP1. TP1 it's now 40 pips with no too much risk. 40 pips. That was great. Reducing the stop loss at this moment. 40 pips. Optional B. Now it's an optional to be break even. It's an optional to take some partials. So well, 40 pips. 40 pips with no too much risk. That was great. Let's expect we can touch the TP2. Let's see this. This is the last candle in 50 minutes with a position in Euro USD. Euro USD continuing the same point. So, well, share your profits at this point. And drinking lemonade. Lemonade. That was a great pressure. And we end the candle in TP1. So that's great. It was nice. So, well, remember, I reduced the stop loss. Well, I can take some. No, I would take some partials in TP2. So let's see. People now can take some partials. Can take for Madik Sim. Most of the time, I'm ending months in positive. Just June, May, June was a difficult month with not too much profits, but not too much issues. So, well, hold him. Let me know your profits at this point. Let me know if you already closed the trade. Let me know if you take some partial. Let me know if you are in break even. I'm still holding with pure patience. Okay, almost there. TP2. Just we need some pips more. Some pips more. 62 pips. TP2, it's the resistance there. For that reason, it's going to be difficult to be there. So let's see. Mm, it's going so hard. I don't like that candle. 30 pips up. So, well, patience. Let's see what happened. Good reaction there. Hmm. Going back to our point of entry. So we need to see a good reaction in the next 2 3 candles. If not, we will hit the stop there. $39.84 again. Let's see if the sellers can give us some good reaction. point of entry. It will test the 0.5 again. So now it's a decisive point. We need to see a really good reaction now for continue with the seller's pressure. If not, probably we will hit the 39.92, 39.91. Difficult, difficult reaction at this point. That's it. Probably most of the people here touch the break even. 39.87. Testing the highest point. Let's see if the point of entry is strong or not. That's a good test. Again, trying to go back. If the price go back to the TP1, I will reduce it a little because I don't like that type of movements. And again, if you take the re-entry, use the new stop loss 39.09, 39, 39.89, that damn. Less possibilities, of course, to successful because we were in TP1. And well, that was a hard reaction into the support zone for the 39.80. So still there, holding with pure patience. I prefer the candle ends, the last six candles ends in positive by our side. Let's see. Let's see. Testing the 0.5 again. Looks difficult now. The sellers is they're having issues to stay there into the 39.89, 86, 86. Hmm. Probably we will hit the 39.89. But well, the price is stuck there. That accumulation looks great in 1 minute. So we need to see. We need to see. Patience. Let's see what happened. Sellers is still there, trying to continue with some pressure. Not too much. Buyers testing. And again, in the next 6 minutes, we need to see the mm, Testing the 0.5 again. That's the important thing, the prices stay under the 0.5. That's really, really important. 87, that's not good. So this is the point when the sellers is a must to give us something. The 0.5 is there. That's the point. Last six candles. Well, five candles. Holding with pure patience. Let's see the result. Probably many people it's in break even, and probably other people is opening a new entry. But if you open the new entries 39.89, that then is the new stop loss. Okay, I reduce the stop loss when we hit the TP1. Testing the point of entry again. We need to break that point. We need to continue to 39.84 at least. So let's see for these 3 minutes. Finally, last three candles. We need to stay there. Euro USD is moving too. For the upside. So well, testing again and again the point of entry. They're moving, but not in a good way. And the stop is there, guys. The position is taken. One candle for 85 pips. So well, the stop is there. The stop is there. Not too much. 40 pips for some people. For other people like me, passing negative. So well, one candle for 90 pips. 90 pips in 1 minute. That's the don't hold positions, please. Don't hold positions. Don't hold positions, guys. Don't hold positions. If you do a re-entry or something of that, but engineer booked 40 pips. Price going to 40, 50. Probably yes. Probably yes. We don't know. So well, we have time. We have time. Euro USD is still there into the point of entry. It's not moving that much. It's in negative for around 2 pips, but it's still there. So a reaction for the last two candles. Now we need to clarify what is the next step. So, well, let me see. 1 hour. 1 hour give us something. Yes, 1 hour give us something. Okay. So now it's time to change the plan. Why? Because we have a new zone here. New zone. We have a new zone. One hour. It looks like this. We have this candle now through 39.85. This is the long position here. Volume by some 1 hour. So yes. So again, we will prepare the long position in gold. Mhm. In what point? There. Mhm. Okay. US Nasdaq is there. Okay, let me check. Here. Mhm. The cell zone is there. Our reaction in Euro USD. Let me update the Euro USD. Mhm. Looking so strong, at this point. So we have 2 points. Again, the Selson and the Bison. Mm, Let me clarify the position. Mm, it's going to bigger. Let's see here. We can see some reaction, a good reaction or not. Clarifying the position for Euro USD. It did a big move for some minutes more. Let's see. I'm going to wait one candle more for see. The bullish is so strong. Yes, looks so strong for both for Euro USD and the others. It's the same. Dollar is falling. Yes. Trump speech. So I don't think Trump is just yes. So well, closing the Euro USD. Um, Let me see what happened. Okay, so well, something happened with Donald Trump. I'm seeing some information there. So, but it's something about this. Mm, let me read for clarify this. Mm. Yes, he's talking. I don't know. He's talking now. I'm trying to find because some people is telling here the Trump speaking. No, I think it's the other ones. It's a girl. Well, someone is speaking. So, guys, this was massive reaction, beautiful reaction for buyers. Um, to be honest, I was thinking like we will see a deep retracement for corrections and everything, but well, um, was so hard the reaction now. Trump on fire. Yeah, the thing is, I don't understand the why Trump is on fire. What happened with Trump? To be honest, announcements by the first lady, announcement by the first lady Melania Trump. Um, it doesn't matter, you know. So well, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's see. I'm going to wait. We have many hours at this moment for take another position. Let's see what happened. Uh, yes. So well, guys, just relax, and we will see this. We will take another trade. That's all. Okay. It's something about the novel, you know. He don't win something, but who cares, you know? Like, why these reactions just for that? Yeah. So I think this is now. It's just done. I'm looking here for through social. So very strange things are happening in China. They're becoming very hostile and sending letters to countries through the world that they want to impose export controls on each and every element of production having to do with the rare earths and virtually anything else they can think of. Even it's no manufacturing in China. So, well, it's Donald Trump fighting with China. So it's for the it's something about China, guys. It's something about China. Uh, so well, let's wait. Let's wait. It's time to wait, guys. Yes, it's something. It's something about with China about the taxes. Yes. Well, Trump being Trump, and we fall unfortunately not in the best position for that. Yes, that move for let's go back for I don't know the massive. So well, it liquidate me the positions in Euro USD and the position in. Let me share this information. Mm. Mhm. So well, let's read this together. This is the reason for the price is going up massive again. So some very strange things are happening in China. They are becoming very hostile and sending letters to countries throughout the world that they want to impose export controls on each and every element of production having to do with the rare earths and virtually anything else they can think of. Even it's not manufactured in China. Nobody has ever seen anything like this. Essentially, it would clock. I don't know what is clock. The markets make life difficult for virtually every country in the world. Okay, so especially for China, we have been contacted by other countries who are extremely angry at this great trade hostility, which came out of no here. Our relationship with China over the past 6 months has been very good, thereby making this move on trade even more surprising one. I have always felt that they've been lying in a way, and now, as usual, I have been proven right. There is no way China should be allowed to hold the world captive, but that seems to have been their plan for quite some time, starting with the magnets and other elements that they have quietly amassed into somewhat of monopoly position. A rather sinister and hostile move, to say the least. But the United States has a monopoly positions also much stronger and more than far reaching than China's. I have to just no chosen to use them. There was never a reason to me to do so until now. The letter they send is many pages long and they and details with a great specific on each and every element that they want to withhold from other nations. Okay, it's so long. Things that things that we are routine are not longer routine at all. I have not spoken position president. Sorry, spoken to President Xi because they has no reason to do so. This was a real surprise, not only to me, but to the leaders of the free world. I was to meet President Xi in 2 weeks at the APEC in South Korea, but now there seems to be no reason to do. Okay, the China's letters were specifically inappropriate in that this was the day that after 3,000 years of bedlam and fighting, there is a peace in the Middle East. I wonder if that timing was coincidental. Depend on what China says about the hostile order. Okay, will be forced. Okay, okay. I will be forced as a president of the United States of America to financially counter their move for every element that they have to being able to monopolize. We have to. I never thought it would come to this, but perhaps, with all things, the time has come. Ultimately, through potentially painful, it will be a very good thing in the end. For the United States, one of the policies that we are calculating at this moment is a massive increase of tariff. Okay, on China products coming into the United States of America. There are many other countermeasures that are like ways under serious consideration. Thank you for your attention to this matter. So, well, basically, this is the wipe. Uh, the FOMO about the massive. This moment is a massive increase of tariff on China products. For that reason, the price will continue up. Um, well, it's time to open a low position. It's time to clarify the position. Let's forget the sell zones today again. and probably we are not going to have any structure for um, the next minutes. So well, that is the reason for we are seeing the day starts beautiful. The day starts beautiful with the clear suns, very quiet. Um, and well, everything looks beautiful. Everything looks beautiful today. Um, so well, the things happen. The things happen, guys. So well, we got the break of a structure here. So well, for the ones who are asking, we already read the comments about this the tariff and everything. See, okay. So is instant funded passing a scam? Instant funded is difficult, my friend, but it is not a scam. It's not a scam, but it's more difficult than the challenge. That's why we need an stop loss. Yes, always we need an stop loss. Always we need an stop loss. So, well, guys, for that reason, I prefer it. Yesterday, this week, many people was asking me like why many long positions. This is the reason. Um, since the price action collapse, well, all the structure now, all the work for all the work where the investors do for this week, giving us a beautiful structure, giving us a really nice uh, and potential zones. All the positions was done, and probably we will see prices around 40, 40, 40, 47. Well, guys, that's all. Let's wait the reaction. We will continue with the long positions. Babak for Babak Tabam. Hello, admin. Do you really know trading or did come here just to talk? You don't even know how to specific the buying and selling area. So, guys, can someone ask or respond this guy that question? I appreciate that. This Babak is not even listening. Probably he don't understand English. That's all. So well, we have an expert today, Babak. So well, guys, I'm going to eat my breakfast. Um, Go so some relax. Why? Because the price now it's according the for the for the reaction of Donald Trump. We already see why the price is going up just because Donald Trump say some things about the tariff. He's angry with China, and that's all. For that reason, the price will not. They can't continue with the position there. So yes. Okay, guys, I'm going to eat. I'm going to take advantage for these candles. Well, remember, Trump is angry, so for that reason, he announced a big tariff for China. probably nothing is going to happen, but it was enough to give us a that massive reaction. And well, that's all. So I'll be back. I'll be back. I need a good trade today. It destroyed my trade for gold, and it destroyed my trade in Euro USD. Um, by my side, it was really really good base. Like I was expecting the correction and everything. But well, that things happen. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, guys, price into it's into our sun. It's time to be ready. Okay, 4 hours is there. The well, the 47 is there. Hmm. But yes, I don't want to buy at this moment. Okay, so let me check and let me clarify positions. Okay, we are back there. Um, I don't like this type of market, to be honest, guys. Well, this is the conditions, and the people wants more trades. So let's continue. What happened with Babak? I think Laurito have a Ferrari. No, my friend, I have a normal Mazda. A real familiar car. It's a Mazda. Babaka room. Okay, perfect. That's great. So let's see. Probably 85. 85 could be the best position. Something like this. 85.90. I'm thinking something like this, guys, to be honest. You will have one day, bro. Bless you. The thing is, here in my country, the streets, to be honest, is not able to ride a Ferrari. But I would like a familiar Ferrari because they have a normal cars too. I don't like the this type of cars like very so close to the street. But yes, I have a normal Mazda from 2012. I bought the car with the withdrawals for the FXI5, so that was great. That was the best car what I can find. The guy accept me the cryptos, so well USDT, and that was the best car what I choose for just paying with the USDT. So that was great. So well, guys, I'm waiting the market ends this candle. Waiting, guys. Remember, at this moment I'm not taking any position. Okay. So well, let's see. Let's check my account. My account thing has lose some. Now it's in $1,133. Remember, this is a prop firm account. Passing the challenge with you guys. So we reduce some significant. We start the week with $400. So that's great. And well, remember, guys, this is I'm passing this challenge just with the entries into the Telegram, showing the people in my community how to um, control the emotions, control the um, everything. And this is a beautiful option, to to link your account directly with TradingView. By my side, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I really enjoy this experience. I really like it, really, really much. Better thousand of times than MT4 or MT5. So great, great. That's a beautiful option. So, well, guys, if you want to, again, if you want to open an account in a Profit Challenge, just go into the profitmatch.com. Remember, the link is into the chat. The link is into the description. Just go there and you will see the best offer and the best discounts. Of course, if you are already working with a prop firm, you like your prop firm, go there and rate your prop firm. If you don't like your prop firm, go there and rate your prop firm too. That will help many people to understand what is the best um, prop firm, what is the best information for the payouts, for the environment, um, all the things it listed there. So just go into the link, you will see that really nice information, guys. So yes. Um, hmm, Perfect. So now I'm just waiting. $39.90 or $39.85. Okay, I prefer $39.85 to be honest. Let me check this. Okay, well, the sales on there works perfectly. Uh, 39.85, guys. 39.85. That would be my my position, and the sales on is still there. It defends the 39.87. 87 is there. So well here, remember, now even it doesn't matter if the price go back. We need to wait. Well, let me grow it here. Wait in the candle confirmation. Wait in the candle confirmation. What is the good thing now? We have two clear suns. Selson, if the price go back here, for example, okay, we have here the difference between the Selson and the long position. Selson, it's confirmed. So if the price, for example, go here without confirmation, just we need to sell there in 40.08. Here we need to wait the confirmation. Okay. So let's see what happened. We have two beautiful trades here. Let's see what we can do. Strong sell, I think like yesterday. Probably yes, probably yes. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Guys, I received at least two messages today telling me like is if the entries is for sure, it's for sure. Like, okay, this is for sure, because I'm afraid. I'm afraid to take the entries. And well, if you are afraid, guys, if you're afraid, that means two things. Okay, that means two things. What things? You're not using the proper lot size for your account, um, or probably